Hello and welcome to the Hawkridge Cocktail Kitchen. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make a Basil Smash with my good colleague Isabel.
Yeah?
Okay, so to make a Basil Smash what we need is some basil, of course, we need some fresh lemon juice, we need plenty of ice. We're going to use this week our Magpie Hill Gin variety, which is the first variety that has been sent out for our Just Gin Club members, and it goes particularly well in the Basil Smash. And we need sugar syrup. Sugar syrup is a really important ingredient in all gin cocktails. You make it with equal part sugar, equal part water, warm the water up till the sugar dissolves, and then stick it in the fridge and use it for a multitude of gin cocktails. Okay, so to start with the Basil Smash, what we will do is take a tumbler and we're going to half fill it with ice. Then we're going to get the rest of the ingredients and we're going to put them in a cocktail shaker. So it's about 5 to 6 leaves of basil. Take some nice big ones into the cocktail shaker. Okay, put some ice in, that does the smashing. We take 60 mils of Magpie Hill, so measure that out.
Ooh.
10 mils more. Okay, we'll take 25 mils or thereabouts of sugar syrup. Perfect. 25 mils of fresh lemon juice. Excellent.
Beautiful.
Alright. Put the lid on the shaker, nice and tight. And then shake it for a good 15-20 seconds. Or it will get cold. We'll try and take the top off. It does get a bit stiff once it's been cold like that, and then we pour the smash over the ice. And to finish it, garnish it with a sprig of basil. Want a taste?
Oh my goodness, that tastes really nice. There we go.
And luckily for Izzie, here's one I prepared earlier.
Cheers.
Cheers.